Hi, I'm doing a drawing video. Today I am gonna draw the characters from Teen Titans Go as well as I can, but I can't do it very well. So, let's just go to Google. Sorry about that. Beast Boy. I'm gonna start with Beast Boy. And I'm gonna draw him. So this is, yep. Don't know if I can do this. So, what is it? Let me just get started. So I need this bright green, don't I? Thickness. I'm not the best, I have to say, drawing on this computer. This iPad thing. Okay. I don't know about this. I don't think this is going to go well. He looks like an adult and one that's too responsible. I can imagine him in a smart suit looking like this. Jeez. His eyes are popping out. Sorry, yeah, I'm just gonna do the details on the heads, then make them stickman. Except for Raven, not Raisin. So that's Beast Boy. It's terrible. And now, Raven. Okay, so this is Raven, and I'm gonna draw Raven, okay, Raven, yeah, okay, so I need a purple pen. I know her purple is sort of darker, but I can't create any more sorry about that, must have gone gigantic and then No idea what happened then. Sorry. Okay. No. If you don't understand what I'm doing, I'm starting with the cloak, which isn't very good, sorry. I'm trying to draw her from like an angle. If I'm gonna do it, I can't have a thingy there. You know what I mean, the point of her hood. Sorry for not being clear on words. Oh, getting so wrong. Too thick. I'm not very good at doing these drawings, sorry. The eye is uneven, I know. So yeah, this is my bad raven. If you find it weird that I'm writing down the names and talking at the same time, it's just showing you who they are. Yeah. This is gonna be, the way I'm gonna get rid of her is gonna be a lot more fun than deleting. I'm scribbling on her in white. Not that fun. So, I don't really know what else to do. So bye. I hope you watch another